Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to send always HD videos in WhatsApp. This is very quick and easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open WhatsApp and click on top right three dots. Open WhatsApp and click on these three dots at the top right. After that, here you have to click on this setting icon. Here you can see click on this setting icon. After that, here you have to scroll down and here you have to click on this storage and data. Click on this. After that, here you will see an option. Here you can see media and uploads. Click on this. Click on this. Now here you have to click on this HD quality. Click on this. After that, you have to click on this save icon. In this way, you can set always HD videos in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.